Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. We'll be starting off with paper 2 today, reading paper, and marks for reading paper are 50 in the CIs. This lesson is specifically for the students who have been passed from class 7 to the new pre-Cambridge class. And the first lesson we'll be starting off with is reading paper, and first section is reading for ideas. Now, reading paper carries two passages, each of 25 marks, reading for ideas and reading for meaning. Reading for ideas carries 25 marks. Similarly, reading for meaning carries 25 marks, as it is told in the orientation earlier. Now, this is a past paper that we are going to consider today, that is of the year May-June 2015 of the variant 2-2, and the passage is called Social Networking Sites. Now, for reading for ideas, you will be reading the passage individually, and then as the question says that you will be using the material from the whole passage, and after that you are read with the passage, you will be extracting the content points under the two headings. Now, the two headings which they have given in the past paper along with the boxes, the headings are advantages of social networking sites and the disadvantages of social networking sites. And for the content points, you will be writing short sentences or the whole sentences from the passage, not in your own words, but you will be copying it down from the passage. And you will be keeping a balance in the content points, that is 7 for the first heading, 8 for the next, or 8 for the first and 7 for the heading. But you will be having, of course, more points for one of the two headings. And the content points question, it carries 12 marks. So you have to write extra points if you want to have full marks in the content points. This is not a test, but you need to know the marking scheme according to the CIs, and this is how the marking scheme is and how you have to go about with that. So 12 marks are there for the content points, and you will be attempting this according to that. After having done the content points, you will be moving on to the summary writing. That is question number 1B. Now, considering all these points which you have written in the boxes, you will be writing these points in your own words using complex sentences and connecting them with the help of connectives. And the word limit now, according to the new pattern for you people, that is 150 to 180 words. And this question contains 10 marks. But remember that summary is an own word answer, and the examiner is going to check you for 5 marks for accuracy of language and 5 marks for own words. So you will be putting all these points in the two boxes in your own words and finalizing your summary. Then after having done that, moving on to the next question, that is from paragraph number 4, question number 3. You will be writing two opinions from paragraph number 4. The first opinion and then another opinion. And as you know, that opinion is a statement about which you agree or maybe we do not agree, but that is the writer's opinion. A statement that is telling us about the writer's opinion in the passage. That is not based on a fact statement. Similarly, question number 4. This is MCQs true and false. That is also based on the passage you have already read. So I think the instructions are very clear, and now you'll be able to do your written assignment in your notebooks individually. And after having done that, you will be moving on to reading for meaning, the next passage that is called as Monica. Reading for meaning, again, in the reading paper, it carries 25 marks, and you will be reading the passage individually, and then you will be answering all the questions in your notebooks or maybe in your rough registers. This is how you have to go about with the reading paper. So this is the first lesson is about reading for ideas, social networking sites, and the second passage and the second lesson is about reading for meaning, the passage Monica, that is also of 25 marks. And you can read these passages from the PDF file attached, or if you have the updated past papers, and if you're not even having the past papers, you can just search on the net and go to the Papa Cambridge website. Easily these papers, they are accessible there.